More than ever before, the rapidly increasing population of the Earth is placing pressure on our environment. The green awareness that began over 20 years ago has matured into a global consciousness that is now demanding action. One problem that needs attention is waste. We need to find methods to reduce or reuse the byproducts of agriculture and living. In many lands, former rich soils continue their downward spiral to infertility, due largely to misuse of fertilizers and unsustainable farming practices, reducing the long-term ability to feed the world's burgeoning masses. In the light of these problems, it is essential for new companies to challenge standard practices and introduce technology for sustainable agriculture. One such company is Biologic Ltd, an Australian company that is experiencing international success. Biologic has developed a robust system that quickly and efficiently transforms many forms of waste into a fortified organic fertilizer called Nutriplex, with unique and valuable properties. The biologic waste conversion system uses strict waste stream management, advanced microbiology and specialized computer software to compost organic waste odor-free in 10 to 20 days.
Well, the waste been collected around the neighborhood, and then from there we put in the shredder, shred it down to reduce the size. After the shredding, we will lay out in the windrow, and together with the mix of our computer mixtures, the computer will determine what is our CNN ratio. From there, we'll lay out in the windrow, and once it's laid out in the windrow, we will spray the microbes, and then the windrow turner will go through the process of turning it. Temperature will be taking about 3 times a day to make sure the temperatures are correct, together with the moisture content. And after the 14 or 15 days, the temperature should goes down, and we'll leave it for another 2 days. And if there's no more reaction, we do a moisture content check, and that will determine the finishing stage of the compost. And if the farmers decided to tell us they want to grow sugarcane, and again we can look at their needs. So from that, we will formulate to suit their particular area and their particular crops.
Tested in Australia and the Philippines, utilizing many different waste streams, including rice, bagasse, corn, sugarcane, animal manures, vegetable waste, and sorted municipal waste, the system has had consistent and reliable results.
I have an experience of traditional composting. I am a traditional farmer before. So, you know, before my compost lasts a month or 2 months. This time, our composting is only a 14 days. It will already harvested for 14 days.
Conventional chemical and mineral fertilizers lose up to 70% of the nutrients to the air or leached into the soil. Nutriplex, however, is no ordinary fertilizer, and up to 90% of the nutrients are retained by the plant. Because of its organic nature, Nutriplex provides the complete spectrum of plant nutrients in the precise ratios required by the plant. Because there is a slow release and minimal leaching, virtually all the fertilizer applied is available to the plant instead of being lost into the air or leached into the waterways. Nutriplex also puts stable organic matter back into the soil. This provides a cumulative and lasting benefit. The soil can hold more water and air. It absorbs and holds more nutrition and stimulates a vigorous and healthy population of microorganisms. Recent efficacy trials conducted by the Bureau of Soils and Water Management in the Philippines have met with some not unexpected results.
I saw that the Nutriplex gives a bigger size of the grains and the comparatively the higher yields of the palay. Compared to the inorganic fertilizers, the Nutriplex can can give a satisfactory result of the grains and the yields of the crops.
Biologic works at all levels of government to help solve waste and agronomic problems. In the Philippines, Biologic is working with the Philippines Cooperative Development Authority and the Cooperative Union of the Philippines to establish more waste conversion plants. Support for these Philippine projects has also come from the highest governmental level.
We have tons and tons of garbage which we have not been able to dispose of intelligently. We can put this garbage, turn it systematically into organic fertilizer, and restore the fertility of our fields, and perhaps be able to produce more for our millions. We will be able to hit two birds with one stone. We'll restore the fertility of our land. We'll be able to manage the disposal of such eyesore and disease-causing garbage pile.
Turning waste into fertilizer, solving the perplexing problem of waste and soil depletion in one simple stroke, improving the lifestyle of millions and improving the health of the earth. That is the mission of one company for today and into the new millennium. Biologic International.